the very first question, Pedri or Gavi, who is the most underrated Spanish player, you would think? वो तो खेल भी नहीं रहा. Does an 18-year-old Lamine Yamal genuinely have the physical capability to carry Spain all the way to MetLife final?
कौन करता है यार ये?
So just to break the ice, I'll just start with a rapid fire round. Rules are quite simple. मैं आपसे कुछ questions पूछूंगा. You have to be very quick and very rapid with this answer. मैं आपसे बिल्कुल भी क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Explanation expect नहीं करूंगा. Okay? So the very first question, Pedri or Gavi, who is more indispensable to this current starting 11?
Bro, I mean Pedri. I am a kind of little bit of Pedri paglu, so Pedri.
No, Gavi is horrible. Okay, World Cup 2026 predictions for Spain. कहाँ तक जाएगी? क्या लगता है? Group stage तक जाएगी, quarter finals, semis या फिर champions?
नहीं, I think easily quarter finals तक तो जाना चाहिए. For semi-finals, I feel that there will be a team that surprises us all. There has to be one team in the semi-finals that will surprise us.
So for the third question, who is the most underrated Spanish player you would think? अभी current squad के अंदर.
Raya.
David Raya, वो तो खेल भी नहीं रहा. उसको start ही नहीं दे रहे.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, but he's a good player.
In the perfect world, he should be starting.
Starting, yes, definitely should be starting. Okay, Kranjcar 2018 was sacking Julian Lopetegui 72 hours before the World Cup as justified principle or absolute suicide.
Suicide. कौन करता है यार ये?
Predict Lamine Yamal's 2026 World Cup output over or under 5 goal contributions. क्या लग रहा है? एक गोल तो मार ही दिया उसने.
5 goals.
Leaving Dani Carvajal out of 26 man list, tactical genius या complete disrespect to a veteran legend?
It was a disrespect, to be very honest with you. I think it was not. I won't even call it a tactical genius, but I think it's a like how some people are very risk lovers. I think that it's a very risky decision.
Does an 18-year-old Lamine Yamal genuinely have the physical capability to carry Spain all the way to MetLife final? लग रहा है?
भाई 18 साल का है तो अभी तो आप कुछ भी नहीं कह सकते हो. आज तो मैंने उसे 90 मिनट दोनों मैच में खेलते हुए देखा होता है. मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा है. तो आप कह सकते हो.
Okay, for the final question, which tournament win was more iconic? Euro 2008, where Tiki Taka was won, or Euro 2004, where flawless 7 versus 7 win streak?
भाई 2008 मुझे personally थोड़ा close to heart है because at that time I was in school. Like that entire World Cup campaign was, you were reading about these new Spanish players and all of that. So I felt for me that is closer to my heart. Tactically तो मैं नहीं बता सकता.
Tactically तो no one cares. Okay, football first comes from heart. Let's just transit to segment 2. तो कुछ नहीं, hot seat debate section है इसके अंदर. We have a discussion. We have a chill discussion over players, what the squad has, what the player has to offer. तो हम इसके ऊपर थोड़ी डिस्कस करेंगे. I'll try my best कि मैं क्वेश्चन थोड़े से लो साइड पे पूछूंगा because we have to wrap it up quickly. Okay, ठीक है. So for the first question, the Lamine Yamal dependency. Lamine is just 18 years old and already carrying expectations. वही हमने जो मीडिया प्रेशर वाली बात करी थी अभी. उसके बाद उसको अभी लेट सीजन हैमस्ट्रिंग इंजरी. उसके बाद De La Fuente. हाँ, he's mature enough to handle the rotation squad. What we are talking earlier in the rapid fire round. So what do you think कि मतलब struggle कहाँ कर सकता है यमाल? Chance creation में struggle कर सकता है, start करने में struggle कर सकता है, finishing में struggle कर सकता है. मतलब what do you think कि मतलब उसका struggling वाला phase कहाँ आ सकता है World Cup के अंदर?
See, like I just feel that उसका struggle phase, independently he's a great player, of course. You would need support. Otherwise, he is someone who can create chances. He can manage 2-3 players at one go while defending. So he's very strong that way. And I also feel that he is not selfish that way also, like for his age, I do feel that he's a team player. So as long as he's fit and he can play the required minutes, I don't think there's any weakness per se that he brings. He only adds on to the strengths that he have, right? Because while he is, he's occupying 2-3 players in the defense, there can be other players such as Pedri who can go ahead and create a chance and turn that into a goal, or Mikel can go and turn that into a goal. So that can.
ये बात बताओ, मतलब मिकेल ओयारज़ाबाल की भी बात करी हमने. De La Fuente का फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस चॉइस है. मतलब हमें दुख बहुत होता है पर्सनली कि यार गोंजालो गार्सिया रियल मैड्रिड के पास स्ट्राइकर था, चांस नहीं दिया, उसकी जगह वो लेके गया उसको बोर्जा इग्लेसियस को. बट जहां तक जितना गेम में देख रहा हूँ 90 मिनट्स ओयारज़ाबाल को वो पूरा दे रहा है ना. इट्स नॉट अ क्वेश्चन, मैं बस ऐसी डिस्कशन करने के लिए आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दिस. 90 मिनट वो ओयारज़ाबाल को पूरा खिला रहा है. एंड ओयारज़ाबाल इनफैक्ट यूरोस में भी देखा था हमने, और ये यूएफए जो कॉन्फ्रेंस कप हुआ था अभी, उसके अंदर भी ही इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फेवरेट बायस टुवर्ड्स ओयारज़ाबाल. De La Fuente हैज. क्या लगता है मतलब ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है? इतना बूढ़ा इंसान हो गया वो, जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट.
नहीं, बट डिसअपॉइंट भी तो नहीं कर रहा ना. मतलब
disappoint नहीं कर रहा
that,
definitely.
that's the thing. So if it is working, if there are players that you have been loyal to and they're working, I don't see anything wrong in it. Like he got two scores against Saudi.
And there were just beautiful touches he just shot.
Yeah.
Great touches.
Yeah.
World
So,
class finish.
and again वही बात भी आ जाती है that we also have to balance the squad. There are youngsters, you have to balance them with experience.
That's correct. And there are so much young stars in Spanish squad. But पता है क्या है, बार्सिलोना के साथ खेलते के लिए ना, they guys are mature right now. मतलब you won't expect Pedri to, you know, just except for Pau Cubarsí, वो तो छोड़ दो उसको, कभी-कभी गलतियां करता है. But except for few players, मतलब I won't see Pedri doing some sort of a खराब टैकल या कोई भी डिसरिगार्ड वाला कोई चीज जिससे गेम खराब हो उनकी. मतलब इट्स अ क्वाइट डिसिप्लिनरी स्क्वाड इन माय, मतलब जैसे मैं देखता हूं उनको. एनीवेज चलो,
I mean,
Group
it
H
has to be that credit also, you know, like for keeping them at
grounded.
guard.
Yes,
Yeah.
keeping them at guard. Yeah, that's correct.
Grounded तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. I don't think grounded है कोई भी.
No, Yamal is quite grounded, I think.
But yeah.
No, but keeping at guard, yeah, that's the right term. चलो ग्रुप एच की बात कर लेते हैं एक बारी कि साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रैप अगेंस्ट केप वर्डे अभी ड्रॉ हो गया, ठीक है. उसके बाद सऊदी अरेबिया, उसके बाद अभी नेक्स्ट मैच इज विद उरुग्वे, द फिजिकल टीम. मतलब ऑन पेपर तो देख लिया हमने, अभी फर्स्ट गेम में तो दे जस्ट यू नो उनको समझ ही नहीं आया जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट ब्लंडर, दैट गावी ब्लंडर. बट सेकंड गेम में दे जस्ट इम्प्रूव टोटली, दे फ्लिप द स्विच, क्योंकि अटैकिंग थ्रेट थोड़ा ज्यादा बढ़ा दिया था लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड पे उन्होंने यमाल को और एलेक्स बायना को इंट्रोड्यूस करके. बट अगर 2010 का स्विट्जरलैंड वाला देखें, ओपनिंग अच्छी हुई, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे मतलब व्हेन दे फेस अ फिजिकल टीम, डू यू थिंक लाइक उरुग्वे दे वुड, मतलब होगा थोड़ा मुश्किल उनको स्पेन को अगेंस्ट उरुग्वे?
नहीं, मेरे को ऑनेस्टली नहीं लगता. एक तो पहली बात ना, आई एम नॉट समवन हु लाइक्स टू कंपेयर पास्ट दैट मच. पास्ट भी चलो यार 1-2 साल का ठीक है, तो इतना पुराना past में कितने प्लेयर्स आए गए, दूसरी टीम के आए गए, तुम्हारी एवोल्यूशन हुई, you learn, you have so much to do, and plus they're on top of the table still, you know, like in that group. So there's not much for them to lose per se. So I don't think that's going to be a massive threat. Even if they manage a draw, they're secure to, you know, go forward. Even I think even if they lose, they're moving forward thanks to the 4 goals against Saudi.
Yeah. Third segment पे आ गए अब हम, but that was a very smart answer, यार. So for the segment, we will test your player identification skills. Okay. So for the rules, very simple rules है. मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा, अगर आपसे आइडेंटिफाई हो गया, well and good. अगर नहीं हुआ तो I'll give you more clues. जितने नंबर ऑफ क्लूज मैं आपको देता जाऊंगा उतने पॉइंट्स में डिडक्ट करता जाऊंगा, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
So for the question, हाँ, आप गिव अप भी कर सकते हो अगर नहीं आता तो. I'll just help it out. Okay. So for the question number 1, I'm a former captain of Spain who led the team to the 2010 World Cup title. Who am I?
You know, like this is easy technically वैसे, but like this is easy.
Easy तो बता दो आंसर, फिर आसान है तो.
Casillas.
Iker Casillas, yes. Question number 2, I'm Spain's all-time leading scorer in FIFA World Cup history, having netted a total of 9 goals across 3 different tournaments, 2006, 2010, 2014. Who am I? That's also easy.
Yeah. David Villa.
David Villa. Yeah. Anyways, for the question number 3, I am a product of Barcelona's famous La Masia Youth Academy. Who am I?
It can be so many.
Yeah, it can be so many. Okay, for the next clue, मैंने आधा क्वेश्चन खा गया. I was a key figure in Tiki Taka's passing style that also helped Spain to win consecutive European championship in 2008 and 2012. Who am I? ये पूरा क्वेश्चन था.
Okay, next
clue. Okay, when I celebrated that World Cup winning strike, it was a highly poignant moment. I used my celebration to pay tribute to the late Dani Jarque. Iniesta. Yes, correct. Question number 4. I represented Spain in 3 FIFA World Cup tournaments, 94, 98 and 02, making a total of 12 appearances on the World Cup stage. Who am I?
भाई मैं नहीं देखती थी तब फुटबॉल.
ठीक है, चलो इसको ठीक है. Okay. So for the answer,
तब भी मतलब my Alzheimer would have kicked in, but still.
Okay, चलो मैं mystery box खुद ही खोल देता हूँ. Answer is Fernando Hierro. So for the last question, I was officially awarded the player of the tournament at UEFA Euros 2008, where I was also named to the team of the tournament. Who am I? 0 8 से clue ले लो.
Iniesta only.
नहीं, not Iniesta. Same profile का player है, but second number of clue हो गया. No, चलो second clue देता हूँ मैं. During the 2010 FIFA World Cup semi-final against Germany, I provided the crucial corner kick that allowed Carlos Puyol to head home the 1-0 winning goal. ये हो
भाई
जाएगा.
मेरे को नहीं पता.
ये नहीं पता. Okay. Similar profile का player है Javi Hernandez.
Oh yeah,
So the answer is Javi Hernandez. Yes.
I know Javi Hernandez, but I couldn't recall him.
हाँ, that's fair क्योंकि हो जाता है. Anyways, the segment is over.